Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to use ExpressVPN on mobile. First, to use ExpressVPN, we should install first the application by downloading it in Play Store or App Store, and then set it up. We have a tutorial video on how to install and set up ExpressVPN on your mobile. The main function of ExpressVPN is to keep your online activity private. This means your personal information and communication are protected. To use ExpressVPN, you just simply turn it on and choose your preferred location. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!